Hi guys, so we got this summer infant sling bathtub for our soon-to-be baby and just had a bit of trouble setting it up and didn't find any helpful videos online, so we decided to make this. So there's four main parts to this bathtub. Right now we have the two legs that are already attached to this frame. And then so it's 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth part is the sling. So what you're gonna do is put your legs on, and then you want to have this headrest at the top where the legs are. And you'll see in the headrest there's like a clip under here. And so you're just gonna put that around the bathtub itself and make sure that the clip snaps in, and it snaps into the outside edge, so it looks like that. And then the mesh part just kind of wraps around. Let's see here. Got that around the edging. Now this is the part that we found super hard. So this is now on like this. But you'll see, how on earth is this supposed to fit? Because it seems like it's too small. So what you're going to do is fold it up, and then while it's in this folded position, you put the rest of the sling over it. Okay, so it's like that. And now you're going to be like, oh man, how am I ever supposed to actually get this to fold out completely? So you're going to pretend you just don't care if you're going to break it. And you just really get in there. I'm going to stand up. Seems like it slid over a little bit. So just try and center it. And then push. There we go. Did it. And here you have your bath sling. So, you see it's a little bit crooked. So it might just take a bit of practice getting it all straight. And there's some like warming bath wings that attach to this part. And then the baby just apparently sits right here. The end.